Welcome to Corel VideoStudio Pro X2 tutorials. Okay, let's do some video editing. To do video editing, you will have to first bring your video clips to your computer and then to the software. For that purpose, Corel gives you the option of using their capture section in this software. I'll show you in a while. That is the capture part right here. You can use this to bring your video clips to the software by using this option here, capture video, but we are not going to do that. With the second step right here that says edit, that's where we will begin. Okay, so let's assume we have the video clips already downloaded to our computer. But how do we bring that to the software to do the editing? I'll show you how. See this folder, click here and it say insert video, click there, and then you go to your computer's files and choose the video that you would like to bring. For example, I want this one, number 32, and open, and I got the new video. Actually, to save time, I have already brought some of the clips into the computer. I have just shown you one, how to bring it to your software. This is how you bring it directly to the storyboard line or the timeline, but you can also bring it to the library. I'll show you how. Okay, if you want to bring the video direct to the library first, you go here, click on this folder right here, and the same thing, your computer's files will open up, and whichever video you want, suppose that one, you bring there and the video comes in the library, and if necessary you can drag it to the timeline or the storyboard line for editing. For example, if you want to bring that same clip which we just brought to the library to the storyboard, click here on the clip and bring it to the storyboard line, and the video has appeared here. Okay, that's very simple. Now that we have brought some videos to our storyboard line, we are ready to do some editing. For that purpose, it will be easier if I illustrate you this way. I'll go to the timeline and select the video I want to edit. So let's say we want to edit the first video, the flag thing. Now if you look carefully, this particular video, the time, can you see the time? I'm not sure whether it is visible. Yes, it is visible. See, this particular clip we are talking about is 27.15 seconds long, and I think that's too long. So we need to trim this video. So we'll do it this way. We'll start playing it. The video starts playing, and I think that's enough. We'll stop it here, maybe a little bit farther here, and let me see if this is showing in your video. Yes, I think it is showing. We want to trim the video here. See this scissors icon there? We click right there and the video got trimmed. And see this yellow sign here? That means it has been split in two, and we right click on the right side of that video clip and click delete. and the video has been deleted. Let's see, the video was 27 minutes 27 seconds long. Now it is about 4 seconds long, so we have trimmed that. That's how we do the trimming. Okay, a couple of things to mention here. First of all, if you look here, right under your playback screen, you can click on clip or click on project. These two are different things. You have to make sure which view you are looking at. I am looking at the project view now, and currently the duration of the project is here, 2 minutes 8 seconds 8.21 seconds. Now if I want to see how long is the duration of this particular clip, so the clip is highlighted and the clip is only 4 seconds 4.17 seconds. Let's go to the storyboard view. It is easier to illustrate that way. So this first clip is selected, the timing is 4 minutes 17 seconds. The second clip is 19 seconds. The third clip is 9 seconds, etc. But if you want to know the duration of the whole project, click here and see the duration of the whole project is 2 minutes 8 seconds and 8.21 seconds, that is. So it's important to look here whether you are looking at the project or the clip. Alright, for the sake of practice, let us trim another video clip. I have selected this clip here. Let us play it first. And I think that's long enough. We can stop right there. And we click on this scissors icon, and right there the video has been split in two. Let's see if you can see it. Yes, I think you can see. We will right click here and select delete, and that clip has been trimmed also. Now the duration of that clip is only 7.21 seconds. So we have just seen how to trim videos. Let me tell you one more thing. Sometimes we want to mute the video because we might want to add background music and all that. How to do the muting? Let me show you right now. I right click on this first video here and click on mute, so it became muted. When it becomes muted, you'll know it by looking at this sign here. See, this video has been muted. This video has still sound on it. We can mute it by right clicking on it and choosing mute, and see that has been muted. So that's how you mute videos or take the sound off. Okay, before I forget, let me mention one more thing here. When you are editing videos, there is tremendous draining on your computer's resources. The processor has to work very hard, the memory has to work very hard. In other words, a lot of memory is needed. So it's a good idea to close all your other programs in the computer and let only the Corel VideoStudio Pro X2 work. For example, here I have another program open here. This is the Iverio media browser thing. We do not need it, and so we should close it. So I'll go to the top here and click on the X, and I close that program. It is important to close all programs when you are editing videos, because as I said, there is tremendous draining on the resources of the computer, and if you close all other programs, your software will work faster. So that's just a piece of advice.